The Cold War wasn't fought with direct battles, but through proxy wars, clashes where the US and USSR used smaller nations as pawns in their ideological struggle. By avoiding nuclear war, superpowers turned Vietnam, Afghanistan, and Korea into battlegrounds for capitalism versus communism, reshaping global politics forever. The Truman Doctrine marked the first proxy war, as the US funded Greece's anti-communist forces against Soviet-backed rebels. This established the Cold War template, superpowers exploiting local conflicts to expand influence while denying direct involvement. Korea became the first hot proxy war, with US-UN forces defending the South against Chinese-backed northern invaders. The stalemate solidified ideological borders, proving proxy wars could be prolonged without clear victory, yet devastating for civilians caught in between. The US feared communism spread, but its jungle warfare, using Agent Orange and napalm, cost 3.8 million lives. Proxy logic failed, local nationalism outweighed ideology, and America's withdrawal proved superpowers couldn't easily dictate outcomes. The USSR repeated US mistakes, invading Afghanistan to prop up communism. The US armed Mujahideen rebels, including Osama bin Laden, unintended consequences that would later fuel 9/11. Proxy wars bred long-term chaos beyond superpower control. The US backed dictators like Pinochet in Chile and Contra rebels in Nicaragua, all under anti-communism. Declassified files reveal CIA involvement in coups and assassinations, showing proxy wars weren't just ideological, but brutally pragmatic. Newly independent nations like Angola became proxy battlegrounds, with Cuban troops, USSR-backed, fighting US-supported rebels. These wars prolonged suffering from colonialism, as superpowers prioritized influence over local stability. Proxy wars killed over 20 million, 99% in developing nations. Survivors faced landmines, PTSD, and generations of trauma. Superpower rhetoric about freedom or revolution rang hollow for those whose homes became battlefields. Afghanistan drained the USSR's resources, while US overextension in Vietnam left scars. The Berlin Wall fell, but proxy wars left power vacuums, like Afghanistan's Taliban, proving these conflicts outlasted the Cold War itself. Today, Syria and Yemen replay Cold War logic. Russia backs Assad, the US supports rebels, and civilians pay the price. Proxy wars endure because superpowers still value influence over lives. The chessboard remains, only the pawns have changed.